Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to host a website on Hostinger VPS. The first thing I want you to do is log into your Hostinger account. You will be redirected to your HPanel, and then on the left hand side I want you to click here on VPS. Now here, to go ahead and set up your virtual private server, you can go ahead and click here on Setup VPS. They'll prompt you to choose a server location. You can go ahead and pick the one with the best latency for you and where your clients are located. So choose that one, click here on next, and then here you can choose what to install. You choose your operating system, you can choose your control panel application as well. So you can just come here, choose those. So let's say in this one, we'll select Alma Linux, and then we can go ahead and click on select. You can choose the versions as well. This one is free and open source. You go ahead and create a root password to log into your VPS. You can also set up an SSH key for that as well. So we'll go ahead and generate a password for this one. And then you can click here on next after you have enough characters. And then you just go ahead and choose your additional features that you would like with it. This one is free. These are paid. You can choose these as well and click on next and proceed with the on-screen instructions. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.